Copycat recipes here, and we'll kind of review some recipes. In other words, try them, see if they work. Then if you think they're good, you can, procure the book and recipe yourself and try it. First, we're going to try a KFC coleslaw, Kentucky Fried Chicken. And in it, it's got cabbage, carrots, onions, sugar, salt, pepper, milk, mayonnaise, buttermilk, and white vinegar and lemon juice. And it's pretty simple to make. You shred them up into fine pieces about the size of a rice kernel, it says. Combine the sugar, salt, milk, mayonnaise, butter, vinegar, and lemon juice. Beat until smooth. Add the cabbage and the onions. Mix well. Cover and refrigerate for at least 2 hours before serving. Serves 8. Here are the solid ingredients we've got. Here we are with the final results. You can see there's quite a bit more liquid in it than Kentucky Fried, but it tastes very similar. So I'm going to say this is a good recipe. So this recipe got a 3 thumbs up out of 3, which is very good. We enjoyed it very much.